Hello trader. In the previous video I shared the Wolf Scalper Expert Advisor for free. This Expert Advisor works using DLL files. If you still don't succeed, make sure you have put the DLL file in your install MT4 folder. For the MT4 that I use MT4 version 1359. Okay, if you are new, make sure you subscribe and get another free Expert Advisor when I upload a video. Until the time this video was made, the Wolf Scalper Expert Advisor was proven to have made a profit of 2,364.81%. Or about $55,500.39. In this video I will show you the trading results for the past few days. Details of this video I will discuss. One. Profit information from MQL5. As I said at the beginning, Wolf Scalper Expert Advisor has made a profit of 2,364.81%. Or about $55,500.39. And in October, I already got a profit of 14.22% as of October 21, 2022. For balance details, you can see here. Two. Details of live trading results. For details of my transactions starting from October 10, 2022, until the time this video was made on October 21, 2022, you can pay attention here. Total profit on capital is $500, earned $22.64 profit. With two pairs that I run, namely the Euro to US dollar and US dollar to Japanese yen pairs, the biggest gain was $14.14 and the biggest loss was only minus 18 cents. Three. Requirement settings and presets I use. As suggested by the Wolf Scalper Expert Advisor developer team, the recommended pairs are US dollar to Japanese yen, Euro to US dollar, and Pound sterling to US dollar. Here I use only two pairs, US dollar to Japanese yen and Euro to US dollar, with a minimum recommended capital of $500. For leverage used 1 to 100. For the broker I use using the low spread type. Broker registration is in the description column. Four. Conclusion using Wolf Scalper EA. For detailed results for 10 days are as follows. Gross profit $25.07. Total trades 13 transactions. Drawdown 0.27% or about $1.35. Consecutive wins 5 transactions and consecutive losses 4 transactions. I will still try to analyze and learn from an expert advisor for at least a month. To see the drawdown that occurred, the gain, the biggest loss, the biggest profit, consecutive losses and consecutive wins. Okay, what do you think about the Expert Advisor Wolf Scalper EA? Give your opinion in the comments column for discussion. Thanks.